Hey everyone, it's the next day. I've cleaned it all up, got it all ready. So we're just gonna start off with some thin aluminium strips and a bit of scrap foil in on top. Just something reasonably easy, straightforward to sort of start off with, hopefully. So hopefully the foil on top should also keep it a bit more insulated. So I've got current meter that I'll be able to read, volt meter that I can read, and you guys can actually see the temperature meter. So we're going to turn this on, make sure we're running. So we're 13.6 amps at 1 volt AC, that's not right. How many volts AC do we have? 38 volts. What are we at? 380 degrees. So I'll just pull out the calculator. 38 volts multiplied by our 13 amps is 500 watts. So we're just 400 degrees Celsius. Yeah, just dropped 13.0, dropped a couple hundred milliamps because voltage increase, so resistance increase, I mean. 400, 38.6 volts. I mean, like 14 amps. This cable it's probably 1.5 mil or so. Yeah, it's 1.5 mil cable. So there will be a little bit of voltage drop across this cable, this blue cable here. It's very mild, like it's probably risen a degree or two, just the cable. So what temperature are we at? 300. You can kind of see, because how's that? It's a little bit better. Sun's straight on the screen. So it's going pretty good, like it's all just working at the moment. So we're just slowly bringing things up to temperature. Got a little puff of smoke, so that's good. Something's burning off, probably some plastic from early on, or there's a bit of wood, a bit of sticky tape on one of the pieces of aluminium. Something's burning off. Getting closer to 500, so we're looking, I mean, it has to stabilize at above 600 degrees, so I'm going for about 650. Our current's dropped down to 12.9 amps. And so obviously the coils are getting a bit hotter, 480 degrees, so yeah. Hey everyone, we're just over 700 degrees apparently. The metal's obviously not that hot yet, but still going. 11.4 amps. $38 volts. So I've currently got this welder on. This one I can adjust the voltage. This one is one of the electronic ones. So actually adjusting, effectively you can adjust the voltage with this one. This one adjusts a current, a piece of metal in the transformer. That piece of metal increases the inductance, reduces the current. So this changes current, not very useful for changing the voltage. So with this one, I can adjust the voltage and the power a lot better, so still fluctuates, so whether or not it's my connections. 42.7 volts, 723. Just put my glove on. Okay, it's just floating along. So alrighty guys, 13 amps. Let's have a quick look-see. There's a bit of steam coming out of it, so I don't want to get it right over, but yep, it's definitely molten in there, so it's done well. So I'm gonna pour this out. One design flaw I have with this, all the heating coils around the outside, I think the bottom is staying a bit cooler, so it's actually having a hard time trying to heat it up. So I'm either going to put another heating coil down the bottom, or lots of insulation like fiberglass or something, just to help with it. And thank you guys for watching. Do give it a thumbs up. Bit hard to thumbs up in welding gloves. Do like it, and I will see you on the next video when we start looking at what we're going to be doing with this. See you guys.